What is Dollar Tree doing? Trying to give me a stroke? Like, there's new stuff. A lot of it. I keep going into shock. I'm not sure I can take it anymore. I mean, what's my blood pressure right now? Let's go ahead and measure my pulse. See if I'm okay. I feel like this is an 8-ball. Am I gonna live? I can't handle any more of these Dollar Tree shockers. I guess I'm fine. Now that we got me being extra out of the way, I'm gonna dive in because I don't know that any more intros are honestly necessary at this point. It's not gonna stop me from probably doing another one in the future, but a lot of new things, a lot of shocking things. I don't know how to react, so let me just show you guys what I found. In my recent Dollar Tree haul, where I'm actually introducing a brand new series, the color series, and I started off with yellow. I showed you guys the yellow bunny version of this, and here is purple. There is pink and blue, and those are going to be in the upcoming color selection for those. And yes, there's going to be a purple eventually as well. I really am going to try to reach every Dollar Tree, not Dollar Tree, but I'm going to try to reach for as many colors as possible. Thank you for those of you who left me a comment wanting to know colors. I loved some of the suggestions. Peach, emerald, very unique, turquoise, so thank you for that. We're gonna get to all the colors in the freaking rainbow, so don't you worry. But I wanted to go ahead and show you guys purple, and here is this cute little purple bunny, and it's like this. So it's kind of like a giant Easter egg. You would put a lot of filler things in here. I would probably do toys, but if you were to do candy, make sure they're kind of like individually wrapped, just because it's such a big container. This is a brand new item that I just found at Dollar Tree. I've never seen it before. It is an all-in-one home office kit for $1. 100 pieces? That's insane. But basically, this is kind of what you get. As you can see, you even get a roll of tape in here. They're probably claiming that 100 pieces for the paper clips, but can I point out that these paper clips are black, and they don't sell black paper clips individually. So this is amazing. I would at least grab this kit for the black paper clips in itself. These would be great for planner DIYs. But then here are your scissors, and everything is black too, by the way, which I think is really chic. Here's your letter opener. It's kind of flimsy. It's just plastic. I mean, everything for $1, so I'm not gonna complain. Here is this, and by the way, they sell this for $1 single at Dollar Tree. So that's crazy, I know, because I've purchased a couple of them. Here are some thumbtacks in black. And then you get your staple remover and your roll of tape. Also in that yellow haul, which I'll link at the end for you guys, everything was yellow. Again, it's a whole new series I'm doing, but I showed you guys the little yellow ceramic little thing. Are these not gorgeous? And then as you can see, even the embossing is different. These two look the same, but the white is different. But look how cool they are. They are also attached to a really cute little lip silhouette keychain. Very adorable. Coca-Cola, and you get the red little lip, assuming it's kind of like foamy. You can see the little keychain there. And again, this is Coca-Cola. Here is Fanta. Here is another, this is Coca-Cola Cherry. So here's the cherry, comes in that hot pink, and this is gonna be your original Coca-Cola. All right, also new, I'm not even gonna introduce my new alert little text that I always put for you guys, because I feel like everything in this freaking haul is new. But look at these gift boxes. What in the world? These can definitely obviously fit into my color theme hauls, but because they're new and I've never seen them before, you guys, I wanted to go ahead and show them in today's video. Look at these fun foam beads. Wow, I got every color that I found: yellow, pink, green, and blue. And these are gonna be great for crafts. What? I'm not quite sure if this is new or not. this is the first time I'm seeing these two. I have definitely seen this one that kind of looks like a mini mason jar, but I have never seen these shapes for crafts. And these are plastic. I think I'm gonna use these in my daughter's Easter basket and just like fill them up with little goodies with like lipsticks. And then I'll probably tie like a cute little ribbon around here. I've never seen this before. I was intrigued enough to buy it, although it's kind of just on the plainer side. But this little writing tablet, and maybe that's kind of why I picked it up, was the cover kind of sold me, but it's just what it says. Just a little writing tablet. And I love my little notebooks from Dollar Tree. I keep them on in my office, and I write all kinds of like notes and little quick to-dos for myself throughout the day. It really does keep me on track. I found these to be really interesting, and so I picked one up in every style they had. This is a pink, a blue, and this one's my favorite. Something about whatever they put on the inside, it looks like the material that they make out of bows that you put as a present topper. Can you kind of tell? But anyways, they call these Easter basket fillers. I also picked up a Barbie and little clothing set. Like, this is crazy. So this is a fashion doll, and then this tag says fashion doll. So I made the assumption that these little accessories fits this doll. This was the only doll that they had, or I would have picked up more. I know some of my other Dollar Trees that I visit have more dolls, so I'll probably pick up some more, and you'll see those in an upcoming haul. This one does have shoes as well. It's kind of hard to see, but they also sell these cute little accessories. Are just the right size to fit in a shoebox, so I'm keeping that in mind as well. This is definitely new. I've never seen this before at Dollar Tree, and honestly, it makes me want to be a kid again and play. But what? This is like plastic. It's almost like a little sandwich goodie bag. You have a little boy doctor, a little girl doctor. I think it's so cute. And then you get all of the little things in here. It's a little doctor kit, and I figured this would also be great for the shoebox of toys that I'm going to put together. Also new is going to be this little gift bag set for Easter. I really like the little bunny side. But Crayola put out, well, Dollar Tree put out these Crayola Bubbly Bath Goos. What? Strawberry scented, Galopin grape, and blueberry. I don't normally pick up nail polish, but the way that they had these displayed definitely looked new and caught my attention because they're spring, and there's just something about wanting to buy things for each season. It's just, I don't know. You know what I'm saying? New nail polish set. What? And I didn't even get them all. And this one is called Sheer Perfection. This one is Sheer Magic, Sheer Delight, Sheer Joy, Sheer Frost, and Sheer Rose. Alright, next up is going to be this bag. It's also filled with stuff which we're about to look at, but I love this little tote bag. Yes, it's from Dollar Tree. Look at the little prints. It has like colored pencils, and I've been into this new wave of coloring. I'm gonna start like a whole new color with me series on my vlog channel, so if you're into that, definitely go check it out. It's gonna be more ASMR. I'm not gonna be really doing any talking, a lot of relaxing music, so if you need something to help you wind you down, I've got you covered. I'm getting on it. But now let's look at what's in here, because this is by far the best I've ever seen Bolero have. I don't know who this company is. They're on their own, but I've been seeing their things consistently at Dollar Tree for a while now. But this by far is the best packaging I've ever seen, and it honestly takes my breath away. This is just adorable. It's adorable, it's charming, I love it. Also very spring, gonna be great for Easter baskets for someone that's older, or if you just wanna put like a little spring basket together instead of Easter, this is gonna be great for that, you guys. So my favorite has to be this one. I just love the little packaging on this, and it is the pineapple and coconut lime body cream. This one is peonies and pears. Beautiful, just beautiful. Honestly, more beautiful packaging than Bath & Body Works in my opinion. And then here is coconut and verbena. And watermelon and mint, which is probably my second favorite next to the pineapple and coconut. And you know Bolero, if you've been watching Dollar Tree hauls, then you know Bolero has all kinds of other things. They had body wash, body oils, makeup wipe removers, but I definitely picked up the bath bombs. Again, this little packaging is everything. Can I just remind y'all for a quick second, this is $1. Okay, so here's the coconut and verbena, so you can kind of see this packaging together. The pineapple and coconut, the peonies and pear, the watermelon and mint. But I didn't just stop there. For the very first time, I've never seen Bolero put out these products. They have a shampoo and conditioner. Are you okay? Because I'm not. No idea how good this is. It does say it's paraben free. Just because it's cute packaging doesn't mean the contents are great, but one can certainly hope. Wow, it smells great. And also found it in the watermelon and mint. I did not see it in the peonies and pear, and I didn't see it in the lavender, the purple one, but they did have it in these two. All right, next up, as if you can't even handle this video anymore, I'm gonna shock you even further with some new artwork. What? I'm hoping there's more to this set, but I only found these two. I think these are really cute for a little coffee station, tea station. And it has like this little, I don't know if you can tell, it has like gold foil to it. The camera is really not picking up its beauty. It's kind of hard to, kind of right there. You can kind of see how foily it is there. And then here is the little teacups. Look at this. This is at Dollar Tree for $1. Okay. And these two. I have more to show you after these two items, so the video is not about to end, but I feel like as soon as I show you these, everyone's gonna go run to Dollar Tree. This barn is so charming. It's on like a canvas, by the way, which they also give you a means to hang it with, which was awesome. Again, we're looking at things that are all $1 here. This little truck with hay on in the bed. Oh, in the pasture. Oh, okay. The Jot brand line has redone their little butterfly collection. These little 3D butterflies used to be a lot bigger, and now you can see that they've made them a little bit smaller and given you more. So here's the orange set, the purple set, blue, yellow, and green. Also brand new. I told you this was just basically every damn thing is new today. But look at these adorable donut pins. I picked up a new coloring book. I really do like the adult coloring books now at Dollar Tree, so you've probably already seen a theme now where I've been hauling a bunch of them, and I've got quite a collection. So in one of my next vlogs, I'm gonna share with you guys the collection of my coloring books. So if you're interested in that, that will be coming around soon. In one of my last vlogs, I shared my puzzle collection from Dollar Tree. But yeah, what? It's gonna be a lot of fun to color, and the color with me's are also gonna be on my vlog channel. And the very last things today are going to be brand new stickers, and I'm so excited. I felt like there for a hot minute last year in 2017 a little bit, the stickers were kind of like, they really weren't putting out that much. And as of late, they've been killing the game. So let's take a look at this one. Love this. It's a whole neon theme. It's very fun. I got doubles of these. This one is really fun too. Love the little ice cream cones. So adorable. This one has sunglasses on. Here's another little vacation. What's with the shimmy? What is that? But very, again, just, I don't know, really cute. I love the little drink right here. And then they had some that were kind of like space themed. So look how cute these are. I've never seen anything like this at Dollar Tree. I'm loving the little galaxy style color combo. A little space theme. So adorable. Oh my goodness. Little rocket ships. Love that. I should have gotten doubles of that one. This one's really fun too. Just has like a really girly theme. The little neon lips are cute. The back is trippy. Of all these stickers, this is what the back looks like. Guys, that's it for today's video. I feel like it's going to be another long one. I hope that you guys enjoyed everything that I shared with you. I hope that you all find whatever it is that sparked your fancy. I'm in utter shock over this haul. It has been one of my favorites so far. Who knows what's going to happen in the next video. So if you want to know, click subscribe, and I'll see you in that video.